When homeowners in Taylor think about improving their property value, big renovations like kitchen remodels or room additions often come to mind. While those upgrades can be effective, one of the most impactful, and often overlooked, improvements is installing a new entry door. A high-quality entry door doesn't just elevate the look of your home. It can significantly increase resale value, improve energy efficiency, and enhance security. First impressions matter more than you think. Your entry door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice. In Taylor's competitive housing market, curb appeal can make or break a sale. A worn, outdated, or damaged front door can instantly signal neglect, even if the interior is well maintained. On the other hand, a modern, stylish entry door creates a welcoming impression and sets expectations for the rest of the home. New entry doors come in a wide range of materials, colors, and designs, allowing homeowners to match their door to the architectural style of the house. Whether it's a sleek contemporary look or a classic, traditional design, the right door can dramatically improve your home's exterior appearance. A smart investment with strong returns. Replacing an entry door is one of the most cost-effective home upgrades when it comes to return on investment. Many homeowners are surprised by how much value a new door can add compared to its cost. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that feel move-in ready, and a new entry door helps eliminate concerns about immediate repairs or upgrades. In Taylor, where buyers value both aesthetics and practicality, a high-quality entry door can set your home apart from others in the neighborhood. It's a relatively small upgrade that delivers outsized benefits when it's time to sell. Improved energy efficiency saves money. Energy efficiency is a growing priority for homeowners and buyers alike. Older doors often have gaps, warping, or poor insulation that allow air leaks, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. New entry doors are designed with advanced insulation, tight seals, and durable materials that help maintain indoor temperatures year-round. For Taylor homeowners, this means a more comfortable living space and lower energy bills. For potential buyers, energy-efficient features are a major selling point, making your property more attractive and valuable. Enhanced security builds buyer confidence. Security is another key factor that influences property value. An outdated entry door can feel vulnerable, especially if it lacks modern locking systems or solid construction. New entry doors are built with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced lock options that provide peace of mind. Buyers are more likely to feel confident about a home that looks secure from the moment they walk up to it. A sturdy, well-installed entry door sends a clear message that the home is safe and well cared for. Customization adds a premium touch. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading your entry door is customization. From decorative glass panels to unique finishes and hardware, today's entry doors can be tailored to reflect your personal style. These custom touches help your home stand out and give it a more upscale feel. In Taylor, where homes range from historic charm to modern builds, a thoughtfully chosen entry door can complement the home's character while adding a sense of quality that buyers appreciate. A simple upgrade with lasting impact. Boosting property value doesn't always require major renovations. Installing a new entry door is a simple yet powerful way to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, increase security, and create a lasting first impression. For homeowners in Taylor looking to maximize their investment, a new entry door is a smart upgrade that delivers both immediate enjoyment and long-term value.